Waterfall trail with.
Allie, you see that?
No way.
I ain't doing on the end.
Oh, I cannot even get up.
Then someone get onto them.
Yeah, they hooked you up to like a bungee strap. No way. I meant to that. I didn't mean to. It was like one of those. Don't say that. I thought you were about to say, no, they don't. I was just messing on.
I'm taking a video. Ah! Oh God.
Local Who's ready to go skydiving? I would love to. Oh crap.
Me.
It was bad. My face of me doing this. I did
Oh look, I get no signal out
had
here.
nightmares that night of it. And then he was like, yeah. And then posted it on their YouTube channel.
I'm taking a video of it. Snapchat. Snapchat me, y'all. Snapchat me.
We're like, oh hey. And Brody's back here. Hey.
Yeah. Snapchat me.
Wow. I was going to Rio.
But Snapchat me.
Oh, hey.
It's not native, it's not from this area, and it was brought here, and it doesn't have any natural predators really, and so it grows everywhere. It takes over the environment that it grows in. So we don't like to see a lot of. But they taste good. Yeah, they do.
Brody. Why do they have a tree here? It's little girl.
Allie, what's your...
I wish it did.
Allie, I want some. I want more. Hey.
Now, are we walking like all the way?
Yeah, I lost CJ. He said he wanted his drink, but whatever.
What the freak is this?
I'm a hunger.
Hey, there's a big giant limb right here. I'm going to take that trail. That goes down. Logan's ready. Get up here right now before I with you. I'll find a wheel. I'll find a switch. What did you just say?